I wanted to finish off the bottom of my slipper. I did not want to keep it unfinished like that. So I decided on a type of border that I wanted to use. I actually came across shoelaces that I had, and I had enough for both of them. So I took my super fabric glue and put the lace around the bottom of the shoe, and it worked out well, as you're going to see at the end. Quickly, I'm just going to show how I deconstructed the slipper bottoms to use the soles for both the black, fuchsia, and gray slippers. I decided to take out the pinning that I was doing here because folding over the sole material, I knew it would create a ridge in the slipper that would be uncomfortable. So I took the pins out and I decided to cut away a little bit of the fabric or filling inside of the oven mitt to create a flange so that I can just straight sew it on instead of having to fold the material over. And here I have cut away a little bit of that filling inside of the oven mitt to give me a flat edge here, and then that allows me to not have to fold it over to attach it to the bottom of the slipper. I got new soles on my old house shoes, and you can too. And so here's the end of my video resoling my old slippers. I really do appreciate your time and hope that this gives you some ideas to do of your own. You guys take care, stay healthy, and as always, have a made up mind to stay blessed. Bye-bye.